Hello everybody, I hope you are doing so well. Welcome to the world of Deinclusive once again. My name is Tarun Bhagat. I am a co-founder at Deinclusive. Today you will learn what diversity and inclusion is and how they influence the workplace. Along with that, you will learn how the organization can get the benefit of promoting DEI. I am super excited to share it with you guys. Watch this video till end. So let's get started. Alright, let me tell you what diversity and inclusion is. In simple words, we can say diversity means understanding that each individual is unique and accepting or recognizing their individual differences. Let me tell you what that differences can be. These differences can be based on race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation. The main thing is we should accept them as they are, right? In short, we can say it is more than tolerating differences, right? It is a set of conscious practices that can involve many things. See, understanding and appreciating the interdependence of humanity, culture, and natural environment is one of the common and conscious practices. Understanding diversity includes not only way of being but also way of knowing, right? You see, these days people are building up alliances across diversity so that they can work together to destroy all the forms of discrimination. So I can say these are the conscious practices we must adopt at our workplace. So now let's move to the inclusion part. I hope you understand in deep and in detail what is diversity, right? So let's move to the inclusion part. Now comes the inclusion. Well, we can say it is all about how well the contribution, presence, and perspective of different groups of people are valued and how well it is integrated into an environment, right? I hope I'm able to give you a clear picture of diversity and inclusion in simple way as possible, right? So we can say diversity and inclusion is about creating value by feeling valued. You see, these days you can see matters linked to diversity and inclusion are everywhere because they influence our social interaction, right? And that really matters. After all, we all work together in a workplace as much as everywhere else. Okay, now let's move to the next part of this video and let me know in comment section, are you all agree with me on this? Please share your valuable thoughts. Now let me explain the fruits of fostering DEI, that is diversity, equity and inclusion across organization. The first benefit, you see, the organization can benefit from a broader range of perspective because diverse communities includes veterans, women, people of color, Afro-Americans, Hispanics, LGBTI plus communities and many other underserved communities. They can also add the value to the organization with their broader range of perspective, right? The second advantage is leveraging the top diverse talents to understand the customer pain point. It's possible to understand customer better, right, with DEI organization, right? Now comes the third point, which is to improve business innovation. It is obvious that if an organization has diverse talent, then innovation will uplift the business, right? There's no doubt about that. The next point is companies can get faster, better at problem solving, right? As a result, companies' overall performance and reputation will be improved drastically, right? Let's move to the next part. Now let me introduce you to Veronica Heath, who is the head of diversity and inclusion at Rare Limited. Let's see what she has to say about kicking the organization DEI into high gear. She says it's about recognizing that diverse teams and truly inclusive behavior impact every aspect of your business. From the innovation of your games to your team's dynamic, all the way to attracting different talents and retention of staff. So here's the point is companies should have diverse teams because it can be beneficial to the company in every aspect of their business, right? She is trying to say when it is done or you can say executed effectively, it can help to make a safer, more accessible workplace for companies' employees to feel happier, and in this way they can create their best work, right? So let's move to the next part. Now let me read the point of view of Regis Marshall, who is the head of diversity and inclusion at Iron Galaxy. So she says, DNI start with making people feel welcome. Do you feel good here or do you feel alienated? Are people nice? Just basic human tenets of being nice and kind to people that sometimes employers just don't think about, right? So, friends, she is absolutely right. After all, we all are humans. We all deserve to work at a place that is safe and equitable, and a part of that is recognizing our differences and our diversity, right? So, let's move to the next part. Let me share the thought of Dr. Tony Liggins, who is the Director of Diversity and Inclusion at 2K. She says D&I is important because it changes the focus of the company to human potential rather than bottom line. Smart companies uses D&I as a competitive advantage that allows them to build better solutions, target more customers, and create sustainable organizations. See, here she says one point that smart companies use DNI as a competitive advantage. Let me know guys, what do you think about this point? Comment in comment section, okay? So here all she wants to say is that one should focus on human potential rather than core business ideas, right? I hope you understand now the power of recruiting and retaining the top diverse talent. Let me summarize for you. The crux of this video is an interest in selling products does not have to sacrifice the human element. In simple words, I can say that selling product at a cost of employee health is not a good work ethics. I hope you all agree on this, right? One should embrace uplift in whatever way to their employees. And in this way, diversity leads to a better workplace culture overall, right? Guys, if you have any doubt or you want to learn something related to DEI, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. A massive thank you for watching this video and hit that like button. Do check out our videos, other videos, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.